The 2027 Toyota Tacoma is about to shock the world, and the numbers prove it. Toyota sold 274,638 Tacomas last year alone, a jaw-dropping 42% increase that obliterated every sales record in the truck's history. No other mid-size truck even came close, and now, with a mid-cycle refresh hitting dealerships as early as fall 2026, Toyota isn't just defending its throne, they're fortifying it. Here's exactly why this truck continues to dominate and what the 2027 model year brings to the table. The Toyota Tacoma has reigned as America's best-selling mid-size pickup for over 2 decades. That's not a typo. Over 20 consecutive years of outselling every competitor in its class: the Chevrolet Colorado, the Nissan Frontier, the Ford Ranger, Isaka the Hyundai Santa Cruz. None of them can touch it. Through the first 3 quarters of 2025, Toyota moved over 204,000 Tacomas, while the Colorado managed just 77,000. That's not a competition, that's a blowout. Heading into 2026, the momentum hasn't slowed down. In Q1 of 2026, Toyota delivered 69,263 Tacomas, while the Chevy Colorado and Nissan Frontier each managed a little over 21,000. Combined, the two closest competitors barely match one Tacoma quarter. That kind of dominance is almost unheard of in the automotive world. What makes this truck so special? Let's start under the hood. The 4th generation Tacoma, introduced in 2024, was the biggest redesign this truck had seen since 1995. Toyota ditched the old naturally aspirated V6 and replaced it with a 2.4-liter turbocharged inline-4. In standard form, it makes 228 horsepower, but the real story is the iForce Max Hybrid powertrain. That system pushes total output to 326 horsepower and a massive 465 pound-feet of torque. That's a 75% increase in torque compared to the previous generation's V6, 75% more torque from a 4-cylinder hybrid than a V6. Toyota's own newsroom called it a truck that's shaking up the midsize segment, and they weren't exaggerating. Now, some purists aren't thrilled about losing the V6. There's a genuine debate in the truck community where people are actually paying premiums for previous generation Tacomas with that naturally aspirated engine because they trust its long-term reliability over a turbocharged 4-cylinder. That skepticism isn't unreasonable, but Toyota clearly has confidence in the new powertrain, backing the hybrid components with an 8-year, 100,000-mile warranty. Here's something most people don't realize. The Tacoma is the only truck in America that still offers a 6-speed manual transmission. Toyota brought it back specifically because buyers asked for it. 3 pedals in a brand new mid-size truck in 2027. That alone makes this truck special. What's actually changing for 2027? So based on Toyota's typical product cycle for body-on-frame vehicles, the 2027 model year lines up perfectly for a mid-cycle refresh. While we're not talking about a complete redesign, the updates are meaningful. On the outside, Toyota has refined the aerodynamics with a reshaped hood, sleeker body contours, and improved underbody airflow. These changes reduce drag, which directly improves fuel economy without sacrificing that aggressive truck stance buyers expect. The Tacoma, though, also gets a wider track for 2027, giving it a more planted look and genuinely better stability on the road. Inside, the cabin continues to impress. A massive 14-inch touchscreen dominates the dashboard, running Toyota's latest infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and cloud-based navigation. The materials are a smart blend of premium and practical, with soft touch surfaces and brushed aluminum accents alongside rubberized trims that can handle mud, dirt, and whatever else you throw at them. Safety gets a boost too, with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 coming standard across every single trim. That means adaptive cruise control, lane tracing assist, pre-collision detection with pedestrian monitoring, and blind spot detection with rear cross traffic alert. Every trim, standard. The trim structure is where Toyota really flexes. Pricing for the 2027 model is expected to start around $34,000 for the base SR, with mid-range trims like the TRD Off-Road and Limited falling between $42,000 and $50,000. The top tier TRD Pro and Trail Hunter will likely exceed $55,000. The TRD Pro remains the flagship performance trim with Fox internal bypass dampers that are adjustable for different terrain types and those segment-first isodynamic performance seats. These use an air-over-oil shock absorber system that allows the seat to move vertically and laterally simultaneously, stabilizing your head and neck during aggressive off-road driving. No other truck in this class has anything like it. The Trail Hunter, meanwhile, is the overlanding specialist. It rolls on 2.5-inch Old Man Emu shocks, wears an ARB steel rear bumper, and comes with electronically disconnecting anti-roll bars for maximum suspension articulation on the trail. Every hybrid Tacoma also includes a 2,400 watt onboard AC inverter that sends power to both the bed and the cabin. You can run power tools, charge equipment, or set up camp without a generator. There is one trade-off worth mentioning. The hybrid system adds weight, which drops the Trail Hunter's maximum towing capacity to 6,000 pounds compared to the gas-only SR5's 6,400 pounds. It's not a deal breaker for most buyers, but it's something to be aware of if you're towing near the limit. Then there's the number that truly separates the Tacoma from everything else on the market: resale value. The Toyota Tacoma retains over 82% of its original value after 3 years. After 5 years, it still holds on to roughly 80%. For comparison, most pickups in America lose 30 to 40% of their value in that same time frame. The Tacoma has won the Kelley Blue Book Best Resale Value Award for compact and mid-sized trucks every single year since the award was created in 2003. Every single year. That's not a streak, that's an institution. This matters because when you buy a Tacoma, you're not just buying a truck, you're making an investment that depreciates slower than almost any other vehicle on the road. A $50,000 Tacoma is still worth $40,000 5 years later. Try that with a Colorado or a Ranger. The reliability reputation backs this up. Previous generation Tacomas with the 4.0-liter V6 routinely exceed 300,000 miles on nothing more than regular maintenance. And while the 4th gen is too new to have those kinds of mileage stories yet, Toyota's track record speaks for itself. Looking at the bigger picture, the 2027 Tacoma represents a truck that has evolved without losing its identity. As Carbuzz put it, Toyota has checked every box with better road manners and superior technology, but the Tacoma hasn't lost that X factor that made people love it. It's not the flashiest truck, not the biggest, not the most powerful. It's just a mid-size pickup that holds its value better than anything else on the road, goes anywhere you point it, and refuses to quit. With record-shattering sales, a hybrid powertrain that delivers more torque than anyone expected, the only manual transmission left in the segment, and resale value that makes accountants weep with joy, the 2027 Toyota Tacoma isn't just competing, it's rewriting the rules.